Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna extend the bolt out all the way, and you're gonna wanna put that gas key right here, right into that open channel of your charging handle. You may need to pull the charging handle out a bit to get it in there, but once that gas key is sitting firmly right in there, you're gonna wanna just push it in together. You should hear a click, and both of those pieces are back together. The last piece, and probably the easiest, is we're gonna put the buffer assembly back inside. So you can take the buffer, put it back into the spring, and then you're gonna wanna just push it right down into that hole. Use the buffer to help you push. Give it a little force, and you should be able to push the buffer past that detent there. Once it's sitting there without popping out, you know the buffer assembly is in there and good to go. The last thing that you'll do is just simply drop the upper receiver back down into the lower, and you'll push in that rear takedown pin, and your AR-15 is now fully reassembled.